with Lego, but I don't really have any sets that have like a built snowman in it. I really want to find one, so let's go see if we can find one. I'm back from the Lego store and I found a little poly bag. It's the only like set that I could find with a built snowman in it, so let's put it together and see how he turns out. Here we go. Here is the little Lego snowman build. I think he's really cute. He's got, his head can move around, his arms can get repositioned. He's just really cute. But the only snowman build I can find at the Lego shop, I like him. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!